First things first, I appreciate your support. So this is an AI washing machine, the latest technology. So you guys think because it comes with the new features, it will do self-cleaning. Big lie. Anyway, before we proceed, I appreciate your support again. Kindly subscribe to this channel for more videos that will help you. Now, whether it's a latest model or an old model, every machine needs to be serviced, whether you're doing drum clean or not. So some of you think because the machine comes with the new latest features that it will self-clean. No. Like the dispenser, press, pull and remove. This is something that you should do at least after every week or after every wash if you have time. The filters, it's mandatory. The machine won't self-clean the filters. Close the main tap, remove the two filters, clean and return so that the machine gets water at the right pressure. So don't play yourself. Whether it has an extra feature, this is just a normal machine. All machines need to be serviced. Correct installation, proper maintenance.